Welcome back to the channel. I'm having what you're seeing on the screen right now is Boinkers. Okay, we don't know when they are going to be listing, but yeah, we are playing this game. You can play these spins that you're seeing here. You can go for this spinner here. Is it called a spinner? Dragon wheel. Okay, right now that is the theme of today. It's a dragon wheel, so they keep on changing these themes. Right now I have 60.9k spins. My multiplier or bet is at 10x. You can go 25, 50, 100, 250, stuff like that. So the more you spin, the more bet is, the more they will be deducting on the spins. So every time I spin, they will be taking away 1k spins. And you may also be lucky and win this 100m spinners or energy that you can use to get these spins. Let me show you. Okay, so these will be the energies. If you have these, right now I have 77 million energies, so I can spin and get more tokens or coins that I can use to take these Boinkers to the moon. I have so far taken 644k Boinkers to the moon. So you can do this, click all and take those Boinkers. So depending on the coins that you have taken 2052 Boinkers to the moon. Click on build and stuff like that. So you can keep on, the more coins you have here is the more Boinkers you'll be taking to the moon. And to get more coins, you have to come to this spin as you're seeing on the screen. So the more spins you take is the more you'll be getting. So guys, let me show you an example here. Let me put my multiplier at 100k. So every time I spin, they'll be taking away 100k energies. You long press it, you get some auto spin. Okay, and what we are trying to get are these. So the more stars you get, the more you progress here. Okay, so that's how they play this game. So I have raided somebody and I'm going to try to steal their SHIT, and I've stolen one stolen this SHIT from them, 1M. Then click on collect. So if you don't have this shield, so we have what they call here a shield. If you don't have a shield on your account, I can raid you and steal those SHITs from you. If at all you don't have this shield turned on. Mine is on for 1 hour remaining. So when it's done, I go back and lock my account. If your account is not locked, I can be I'll be able to raid and steal from you. Okay, so we have this pin, the safeguarding your account. We have the dragon wheel, and these are offers that you get every day. Let me try to see. I have 23.7k. That means I can unlock this, unlock this, unlock this, unlock this. And for you guys, make sure you get these 3 offers. If it includes paying and you don't want to pay, just stop there. So I can get this, get this, get this, and get this, and I always stop there, so I'll not have to pay this. You just wait for the time to reset and then go back and get them again. So it doesn't mean you have to spend every time you see an offer. There's also this. So here they are saying, as you can see, I got all these, and when it reached time for paying, I said nope, I won't be paying for that. Okay, so it's not compulsory that you have to pay these. And then yeah, I need 843 to proceed, but right now, as you can see on that balance, I have 181. And to get this on today's theme, I have to be in this wheel. So let us click on the wheel. As you can see, they are here. Let me try putting a bet at 100. Oh, sorry. Let me click there. 100. So when you long press, hold for it to auto spin. Okay, so it will automatically spin. You just have to be patient and earn those tokens or those elements that you'll be wanting. I want these. Let me see. I want these, but they are not getting it. Okay, so let me just go back. But yeah, that's how you play this game. Make sure you check it out. I'm going to leave the link in the description below for you guys to sign up if at all you're interested. Remember, it's free. You decide to pay or just play for fun as we wait for the airdrop. They are saying they have some airdrop, and it's what we will be waiting for. Peace. I'll be seeing you in the next video.